What's the meaning of augment? Augment. Augment.
Augment. Augment. The word augment means to increase or enhance something, often by adding to it. The result of augmentation is a greater degree of or an improvement in the quality, quantity, or intensity of the original thing. Augmentation can apply to various areas such as technology, music, medicine, and education. For example, in the field of education, augmented reality technology has been used to enhance traditional teaching methods by providing interactive and immersive learning experiences that make learning more engaging and effective.